Finotive funding alternative and comparison, that's what we're going to discuss in this video. So let's get into it. Up the top, you'll see we've got the prop firm and the challenge type. We've got Traders with Edge Turtle account, Traders with Edge Hare account, Finotive funding challenge. So you'll see that we're using a 100K account for all of them. The maximum account size after scaling is $3 million. On both Traders with Edge, it's 3.2 million Finotive funding. What this means is if you're a consistently profitable trader, most prop firms will add to your account. Not all of them do, but some of them will add to your account and increase your account balance. Some firms charge for this, we don't. The maximum account size is what it is on the table there. The rapid scaling plan, do they have it? Traders with Edge has a rapid scaling plan. Finotive funding does not. If you're on traderswithedge.com, you go up to challenges, scaling plans, you'll land on a page that looks like this. It's got a description of both the organic and the rapid scaling plans and how they work. There's a video that describes more in detail how it works. There's some examples here. You can see the charts on just how much faster the rapid scaling will grow your account and how much more profitable it is compared to a traditional type scaling plan. Down the bottom, we've built a calculator for you, so you can go through, you can adjust some of the parameters, and you can see just how much faster your account would grow and how much more profitable you would be as a trader if you just chose that rapid scaling option. Back to our Finotive funding alternative in comparison. If we scroll down, you'll see the number of phases for each account. It's 1 phase for the Traders with Edge Turtle, 2 phases for both the other accounts. The price in US dollars is $750 for the Traders with Edge Turtle. It's a little bit more expensive than the others because it is a 1 phase account. So as soon as you pass the 1 phase, you'll be on a funded account and eligible for a profit share. With the Traders with Edge Hare, it's $590 and the Finotive funding is $500. Is the fee refundable? It's not refundable on the Turtle account because it is a 1 phase account and you'll be funded much sooner. The Traders with Edge Hare account and the Finotive funding account, you are eligible for a refund. So once you've passed both phases and you're eligible for a payout, then you'll receive a refund. Target for phase 1 is 10% for Traders with Edge, it's 9% for Finotive funding. Target for phase 2 is not applicable for the Turtle account because you'd already be trading on a live account, so there is no target once you're funded. The Traders with Edge Hare account, the target is just 5% for phase 2, whereas Finotive funding, the target's 7.5%. The maximum drawdown is 5% for Turtle, 10% for both the Hare and the Finotive funding. The daily drawdown is 2.5% for the Turtle and 5% for both the other accounts. The profit share is 80% from day 1 with Traders with Edge, and it's up to 95% on Finotive funding. With Finotive funding, how it works is you start on a lower percentage profit share, and then gradually over time, they'll increase that profit share up to 95%. The minimum trading days for phase 1 is 10 minimum trading days for Traders with Edge, and it's 5 minimum trading days for Finotive funding. Minimum trading days for phase 2, not applicable for Turtle again, and it's 10 and 5 respectively. The trading period is 365 days, so you've got a full year to pass the Turtle challenge account at Traders with Edge, and you've got 30 days to pass phase 1 on both the Hare account and the Finotive funding account. The trading period for phase 2 is not applicable for Turtle, and you've got 60 days on both the other accounts to pass. Can you hold over weekends? You can on the Turtle account, and you can on the Finotive funding account, but you cannot hold trades over the weekend on the Hare account. Can you use EAs? You can use EAs on all accounts. Just make sure you seek approval at Traders with Edge before you use an EA. The reason being is because pretty much every prop firm has this rule that you cannot trade exactly the same strategy as someone else is trading. So while they say that you can use EAs up front, if you're found to be using the same strategy as someone else, as in you've gone and bought an EA from someone and they've sold it to 20 other people, if you're using that same EA to trade with them, you will lose your account. And in most cases, you won't get a refund from them. That's why we say seek approval to use an EA at Traders with Edge. With Finotive funding, yes, you can use EAs, but you are not eligible for scaling. Are you allowed to use signals? Yes, you are on all accounts. Are you allowed to trade news? Yes, you are on all accounts. Do you get a free retry if you have passed the challenge? If you are in profit and the time runs out and you haven't violated any rules, then you're eligible for a free retry on both the Traders with Edge Hare account and the Finotive funding account. You're not eligible on the Turtle account because you have a full year to pass the challenge, so it doesn't make sense that you would receive a retry on that. Can you trade Forex? Yes, you can to all. You can trade digital currencies on all. You can trade commodities on all. You can trade indices on all. You can trade share and stock CFDs only at Traders with Edge, but you cannot with Finotive funding. Do they have trading competitions? Traders with Edge runs competitions. You can enter the competition and you can trade against all your mates online. At the end of the competition, the person that's got the most profit without violating any rules, well, actually the top 3 people are going to win a challenge account. Traders with Edge does offer this. Finotive funding does not. Do they have giveaways? Traders with Edge has giveaways. It seems Finotive funding does not. Here's an example of a giveaway that we ran recently. It may or may not be available by the time you see this video. You enter your name and email address to go in the draw to win one of 3 $50,000 challenge accounts. Do they have trader education? Traders with Edge has education, yes. It seems like Finotive funding does not. Do they have an affiliate program? Traders with Edge has an affiliate program. We pay up to 20% for the lifetime of the client. So if you refer a trader to us and they purchase something, we'll pay you up to 20% commission on that thing that they purchased. If they then purchase again in 6 months, 12 months, 2 years time, we will pay you a percentage of that again. So it's kind of like having a recurring income stream. Finotive funding has a similar thing, but they only pay 10% for the lifetime. So that pretty much concludes our Finotive funding alternative and comparison. If you visit the website, talk to us on live chat, join the Telegram channel, and post a comment below if you've got any questions. Have a great day.